Hi guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the this or that tag. It's a very simple game. So basically I will pick the question and then I have to choose one of the two options. The question can basically be anything. I don't know what the questions are going to be though, but I'm really so excited to just answer these questions. So yeah, I have all these questions with me right here. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. But before that, if you're new on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon right next to it for getting notified each time a new video is up on my channel. Let's start. Okay, so I have the this or that questions list with me. I'm picking these questions from this website called the conversationstartersworld.com. Quite an interesting name for a website. Okay, the first question is dog or cat. Well, if I have a choice, it will be none since I'm scared of animals. अगर मुझे choose करना हुआ between dog and cat, it will definitely be dog. In my opinion, I think dogs are genuinely more loyal than cats. So if there are any cat lovers who are watching this video at this moment, please don't get offended. My objective is not to offend you, but it is my personal opinion. I find dogs more loyal than cats. The next question is Netflix or YouTube. I like both. I'm gonna pick Netflix as a viewer. Phone call or text? Well, both have their own magic, I feel. If it is somebody who's really close to me, I'll probably prefer a phone call because then मैं relaxed way में बात कर सकती हूँ. Typing का मुझे pressure नहीं होगा. But if it is somebody with whom I just need to get maybe a small thing done, I will prefer a text any day. Toast or eggs? Eggs, because toast without eggs won't work for me, but eggs without toast will definitely work for me. So eggs it is. कार्डियो और वेट्स? क्यों पूछते हो यार ये सब सवाल? हम तो वर्कआउट ही नहीं करते हैं ढंग से, मत पूछा करो ये सब सवाल. Facebook or Twitter? I've been on Facebook way more than I've been on Twitter, so I'm definitely gonna pick Facebook for this one. Ice cream cone or snow cone? I'm gonna pick ice cream cone. Mobile games or console games? Filhal I'm gonna pick mobile games. While walking, music or podcast? See, this is a good question. So while walking, will I prefer listening to music or podcasts? I will prefer listening to music because in general, I am a music lover. मुझे music सुनना बहुत पसंद है. I'm basically always listening to music. मैं जब पढ़ाई भी करती थी, even for my 10th and 12th, music कानों में होता था and then मैं पढ़ाई करती थी. So I'm going to listen to music, not podcasts for sure. So I'm going to be listening to music, yes. Okay. iOS or Android? See, I have been using Android more, so Android it is. Cake or pie? I actually prefer cake over pie. Swimming or sunbathing? That's a good question. Actually, I prefer sunbathing because मेरे साथ ना बचपन में and college में 2 बार बहुत ही serious accidents हो गए थे पानी में, and since then I've been so scared of swimming. So I'm gonna pick sunbathing. Though I don't like the entire idea of sunbathing, I don't understand what the hype is about it, but I will have to pick that when the other option is swimming. Big party or small gathering? I'm a small gathering kind of person because I always feel that quality of friends is more important than quantity of friends. So I will definitely choose small gathering over a big party. New clothes or new phone? This is a very easy question. I will definitely choose new clothes because new phone ठीक है. I mean, you get a new phone and you use it for 10 days and आप bore हो जाते हो with that phone. But with clothes, I feel like whenever I have to buy new clothes, I get very, very excited. So new clothes it is. Rich friend or loyal friend? If a person is not rich and that person is my friend, it will do because it doesn't really matter to me. But if I have a friend and that friend is not loyal to me, it will make a lot of a difference to me. So I'll definitely prefer having a loyal friend over having a rich friend any day. Football or basketball? It's probably gonna be football. Yes. Work hard or play hard? I'm not gonna pick any. I think playing hard, working hard, both are equally important. If you don't play hard, then there is nothing called relaxation, rejuvenation in your life. And if you don't work hard, then you are not able to build the life of your dreams. So both are important. Nice car or nice home interior? Okay, so when I have a house of my own, my priority will be to fix its interiors first and then think of having a nice car. It's going to be nice home interior. What's worse, laundry or dishes? I don't mind washing clothes, but when it comes to washing Like dishes, oh my god, can wash dishes very quickly. Like I'm very fast, but I don't like the entire idea of washing dishes, guys. It's just the way it is. Jogging or hiking? I think it's gonna be jogging. Bath or shower? Shower. Sneakers or sandals? Sneakers are very comfortable, but I think sandals have like a fashion charm of its own, so I'm gonna pick sandals. Glasses or contacts? I haven't wore contacts ever, so glasses it is for me. Hamburger or taco? Hamburger. Couch or recliner? Oh my god, I love recliners. I find them so comfortable, so definitely recliners. I'm loving this tag. It's quite nice. The questions are pretty interesting. किसी में तो मुझे difficulty हो रही है choose करने में, and किसी में I झट से know the answers. Okay, online shopping or shopping in a store? Recently, I have been doing a lot of online shopping like during the lockdown. So अभी तो किसी store में आराम से जा भी नहीं सकते. So online shopping it is. Receive email or letter? Which one will I like to receive? I haven't received a letter in the last 8 years or so. Any letter that I had got last, like a proper letter written specifically to me. एक proper letter मुझे last मिला था 8 साल पहले. तो emails तो बहुत मिलते हैं यार, but I want a proper letter. Okay, so letter it is. Passenger or driver? That's a good question. I actually do not know driving, but I love riding cars also. And मुझे सीखने का मौका मिले तो I think I will be a good driver as well. I think I would like to be a good driver than being a passenger. Tablet or computer? Okay, that's a tough one because tablets are maybe easier to carry. So yeah, it's going to be a tablet. Most important in a partner, intelligent or funny? I can do with a person who is very funny but like who has mediocre intelligence, but I will not be able to stay with somebody who's extremely intellectual, extremely intelligent, but who doesn't have a sense of humor inside him. So in these two options, I will have to pick funny. Car or truck? क्या weird question है यार, car or truck? Why will I choose a truck? मतलब car. Blue or red? I really like navy blue and I'm fond of red also, but I'm gonna pick blue because I'm a big fan of navy blue. Money or free time? यार लॉकडाउन के बाद आप पूछ रहे हो मनी और फ्री टाइम. मनी? अभी तो फ्री टाइम नहीं चाहिए और मनी 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 दे दो. अम्यूजमेंट पार्क और डे एट द बीच? Day at the beach, yeah. When I was younger, no, I used to be so fond of amusement parks, but now that I've grown up a little, I will prefer going to a beach and spending the day. Amusement park also, I don't mind, but now that I have to choose one of these two, I will be choosing day at the beach for sure. At a movie, candy or popcorn? It's gonna be popcorn. इंटरमिशन के पहले ही मेरा पॉपकॉर्न खत्म हो जाता है. सैड स्टोरी. किन किन लोगों का इंटरमिशन के पहले ही पॉपकॉर्न खत्म हो जाता है? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. ओके, पेन और पेंसिल? पेंसिल का जमाना गया. पेन इट इज. And I like gel pens, not ball pens. I prefer gel pens. Pancake or waffle? Oh my god, waffle. And that too, the Belgian chocolate one. Supremely good. Coke or Pepsi? I find Coke very sweet and I feel like the preservatives and the artificial sweeteners are much more in Coke than in Pepsi. So Pepsi it is. Coffee cup or thermos? I'll go for coffee cup, yeah. Blinds or curtain? Curtain. Train or plane? I'm very fond of train journeys since childhood because अच्छा vibe आता है, you know, train journeys से. तो plane journeys ठीक ही है. I mean, nothing special about them really. So train. Iced coffee or hot coffee? Hot coffee. I cannot function in the morning without a cup of hot coffee. So hot coffee it is, you guys. Meat or vegetables? Meat, meat, meat. I'm a non-vegetarian lover. International vacation or a new TV? International vacation. New TV तो ठीक है. What is so exciting about it? Save or spend? Now that is what you call a difficult question. Save or spend? Can we do both at the same time? Moving on swiftly. Movie at home or movie at the theater? आप लॉकडाउन में बिठा के ये सब सवाल पूछ रहे हो. मूवी एट होम अभी इसकी आदत हो गई है एंड ये अच्छा लगने लगा है. सो आई विल मेक डू विथ मूवी एट होम. ओशन और माउंटेन्स? माउंटेन्स. हॉरर मूवी और कॉमेडी मूवी? इट हैज टू बी अ वेरी वेरी गुड कॉमेडी मूवी फॉर मी टू वॉच इट. बट हॉरर मूवी में कुछ भी ट्रैश देख सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी अ हॉरर मूवी. सिटी और कंट्री साइड? कंट्री साइड यार, सिटी में कितना हसल बसल, कितना शोर रहता है, बट कंट्री साइड इज समथिंग विच, बिकॉज आई एम अ प्रॉपर सिटी गर्ल, तो मैं जब भी कंट्री साइड जाती हूँ ना, मुझे बहुत बहुत मजे आते हैं. आई रियली लाइक द इंटायर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ गोइंग टू लाइक द कंट्री साइड. इट्स सो मच फन, सो मच मोर काम एंड सीरीन देयर. सो यस. विंटर और समर, अगेन ए वेरी ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन बिकॉज मुझे ठंड बहुत लगती है एंड मुझे पसीने से भी चिढ़ मचता है. सो इट्स अगेन अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. आई विल चूज मॉनसून. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सूप और सैंडविच? सैंडविच. कार्ड गेम और बोर्ड गेम? कार्ड गेम. क्लासिकल आर्ट और मॉडर्न आर्ट? मॉडर्न आर्ट. बियर और वाइन? वाइन. Camping or binge watching shows at home? Well, both are very exciting for me, but I have been binge watching a lot of shows at home. So camping, yaar. Working alone or working in a team? This might sound odd, but I will prefer working alone because working in a team के कितने pressures होते हैं, वो group projects जैसे ना, बहुत प्रेशर्स होते हैं. सो वर्किंग अलोन, यू आर ऑन योर ओन एंड कोई भी आपको कुछ भी बोलने को नहीं होगा एंड आप अपने हिसाब से काम कर सकते हो. डाइन इन और डिलीवरी? आई विल डाइन इन बिकॉज डिलीवर करा करा के मैं थक चुकी हूँ स्विगी से. स्विगी भी थक चुका होगा मेरे से. सो डाइन इन. स्वेटर और हुडी? दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. स्वेटर हुआ करता था बचपन में, बट राइट नाउ कीपिंग अप विद द करंट फैशन थिंगी, आई थिंक आई वांट टू पिक हुडी. ओके, कॉमिक बुक और कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स? कॉमिक बुक और कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स? आई विल गो फॉर कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स. मोटरसाइकिल और बाईसाइकिल? आई विल चूज बाईसाइकिल. बुक और ई बुक? बुक. ई बुक में कहाँ वो मजा है यार. आई मीन बुक का मेन अट्रैक्शन ना है वो स्मेल जो उन पेजेस में होता है. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट बुक्स. व्हेन स्लीपिंग, फैन और नो फैन? डिपेंड्स ऑन द वेदर. टीवी शोज और मूवीज? Again, a very difficult question. Do I have to answer this? If it's a good movie, I'll watch it. If it's a good series, I like it. No, I can't pick any. मतलब I have been watching so much content on Netflix and Amazon Prime and all the others that I can't choose any one of these and insult the other because they have saved my life during the quarantine. Alright you guys, so that was the this or that tag and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please let me know what you felt about the video in the comment section below. I really love going through each and every comment that I receive and I try to reply to each one of you. So let me know what you felt about the video in the description. In the comment section, description box में आप कैसे बताओगे? Anyway, I will see you in my next video, which is going to be really soon. Till then, take care, loads and loads of love. Subscribe to my channel. वो subscribe वाला button press कर देना. And if you like any bit of my personality, यार, please subscribe, become a part of the community, and let me know if you have any video suggestions, video ideas for me in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.